Hey guys, Evan with Bluebird Exteriors here today, and we are going to be doing a roof restoration or roof washing process here on this old Slate historic home. So this roof is not shingle, it's not metal, which is what houses modern day are typically built out of. This is a historic home here in Greeneville that has slate tile roofing. This is something that we've done before. We've actually cleaned this house before, about 5 years ago. It was about as black as it could be. It was super dirty. You couldn't even tell the natural colors of the home. Now you can see it looks pretty good still, but we are getting some darker spots back in over on this side and over here. This isn't the worst section of the roof, but it was the one that I could most easily get a video of, so I'm just doing this side. On the back side it does look quite a bit dirtier, but I did want to show you just our process for this. So it's a little bit different than our shingle or our metal. Each one has some slight nuances, but they're about the same overall. So what you're going to see us doing here is, number one, we're going to clean out the gutters on this home. We want everything to be flowing properly off the roof before we actually wash it. So we're going to clean out the gutters, make sure those are working properly. Then we're going to protect the areas around the home that we're going to be spraying. This is called our SAP process, or safety assurance protocol. So you'll see us covering the plants and making sure everything is tidy here. And then you're going to see us do the application process. You're going to see the colors on the roof, those dark spots start to go away during that process, and then you're going to see us come back and rinse it all away. So this roof, again, the backside is dirtier, and there is an attached garage over to this side here that you can't see, but this job today is going to take us about a day's process. So you'll get to see that, and let's get started. Alright, so we've just finished this side here, and it's looking pretty good. Obviously this was the cleaner side. We're starting to work on the back there where it really is dirty, but this is the kind of results that you can expect whenever we're doing slate or metal or shingle roofs. We serve Greene County and an hour in the surrounding areas, so that's Jefferson City, Kingsport, Sevierville, Morristown, all that good stuff. If you have any need for roof restoration of any kind, just give us a call, 423-657-0880. Have a great day.